What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Modern to Me, and today we're going to be continuing on with the talk about array-esque type things in Java. And today we're going to be talking about 2D arrays. So before, just a recap on one-dimensional arrays. If you wanted to create, say, an array of integers, you could go like int array int. Yes, I am so not creative. And if you set it equal to new int and then type square brackets, and in here you could type like 5, and then you'd have an array that is initialized to, oops, if you go like this, there you go. Now you have an array that's initialized to 5 elements. Now what you can also do is you can have two-dimensional arrays. If you remember with that picture I showed in the other video, and I'll show it on screen now, if you remember, like a 2D array can visually be represented by that. So it's really just kind of like, I'm trying to think of something to compare it to, I don't know. But if you just laid out like Cheerios in like a 5x5 array, let me create this code-wise. So what you do is you do this, and now you could represent something like this. So you can set all of these individual elements to different int values, and you can kind of think of them visually as each having a position in that sort of array type deal, that 5x5 thing of dots. An array really is what it's called. So how do you set values to these arrays? What you can do is you it kind of just works like normal. So you type the name of the array, and then you have one bracket, so 0 and 0, and you can set this equal to like 5. And this is how you set all 25 values in your array. So remember, you have 25 little dots, I guess you could visualize, in this array. And so how do you set all 25? Well, remember, if you have like 0, 0, then you also have 0, 1, and then you have 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and then you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 0, 2, 1, etc., etc. I'm not going to list all 25, but that's kind of how it works. So it's kind of a pain to set them all up, but we can kind of create some sort of interesting program to help us with this process, to help us kind of fully utilize the ease of access of using 2D arrays. So I'm actually going to cut this video off right now. Pretty short tutorial. You already know arrays. 2D arrays aren't much different. Just instead of one square bracket, you go 2 square brackets. So just remember that, and join me in the next tutorial where we learn more about this concept. See you guys there.